Elements of ER model. What are entities? The objects that have physical or conceptual existence or that have independent existence are known as entities. For example, car, school, university, account, voucher, company, job, etc. The accounting data is entered using these entities. What are attributes? Attributes are the features of the object, helps to describe the entities more clearly. For example, in case of a person, his height, weight, name, etc. are attributes. The attributes are the data that is stored in the database. Types of attributes. There are several types of attributes. Composite attributes. The attributes that can be further divided into subparts to define simple attributes, for example, name of a student, which can be further divided into first name, middle name, and last name. Simple attributes. The attributes that cannot be divided into subparts are called as simple attributes. For example, phone number of a person can have 10 digits. Single-valued attributes. An attribute that holds a single value for an entity is known as single-valued attributes, like height of a person. Multi-valued attributes. The attribute that can have multiple values for an entity at a time are called as multi-valued attributes. For example, skills of a person is a multi-valued attribute. Stored attributes. When two or more attributes related to each other in a way that one become basic attribute and the other attribute is dependent on that attribute. For example, DOB is a stored attribute. Derived attribute. The attribute that is dependent on that stored or basic attribute for its value is called a derived attribute. The value of a derived attribute is calculated from stored attribute. For example, when we derive age of a person from DOB attribute. Null values. When there is no value stored in an entity, that is known as null value. We use null values in three situations. 1. When a specific attribute does not apply to an entity. 2. When we don't know the value of an attribute, but that attribute exists. 3. When an attribute does not exist. Complex attributes. The complex attributes can be formed by nesting of composite or multi-valued attributes. The parentheses are used for showing nesting of attributes, while braces are used for showing the multi-valued attributes.